In the meantime, Apple's attempting to claw back some of their cash here because they're afraid of potentially losing 20% in China. So this is their plan for how to recoup it. Of course, I'm joking. To sue a little company that has a pear for their logo, which they say is too similar to theirs. And you can obviously see the image there. You can decide for yourself if that's similar. Prepare is an app that helps users discover recipes, plan meals, make lists, and arrange grocery deliveries. And it's called Prepare. Get it? It's kind of a fun name.
Yeah.
Prepare. And the logo's a pear. It's a hollow pear in green. And Apple decided to oppose and go after their small business, saying that the pear logo is too close to their Apple logo and supposedly hurts their brand. The post goes on to describe the action as a big blow to us at Prepare and sets out the intention to retain the original logo and send a message to big tech companies that bullying small businesses has consequences. So Prepare has said, you know, we're not gonna go down without a fight, I guess. We're gonna try our best. They got a petition going on. I mean, it's not gonna be easy, Will. Try to go up against Apple. I think Apple has a few lawyers, a few dollars. Prepare, on the other hand, they're a small business with 5 team members. So we'll see how it goes for them. Their petition has 9,000 signatures. They're looking for 10,000. Let's load up the petition real quick. Oh, they're way beyond that now. At the time of this video, this broadcast, they're up to 28,000 signatures. So nobody likes it. And I don't know. Maybe if it was exactly the same thing, but I say in this case, Apple, chill out a bit. No? Will, am I crazy? What do you say?
You're not crazy. I agree with them.
Apple chill?
Yeah, Apple should chill.
Apple should chill. This little Prepare company, they're stressing out. They got this pear logo. I don't know. Does Apple only need them to change the logo, or are they just dead completely? Let's see what it says over here. Let's just go back real quick. I don't think they're dead completely. Apple has opposed the trademark application for our small business. I see. So they can keep doing business. It's just they can't create a trademark, which could be a problem for their business, obviously. Demanding that we change our obviously pear-shaped logo used to represent our brand in the recipe management and meal planning business. Most small businesses cannot afford the tens of thousands of dollars it would cost to fight Apple. So this is one of those stories, Will, where Apple probably opposes all kinds of different trademarks that are similar to theirs, and it never turns into anything. But here you have this company, Prepare. They get a little bit of press on Mac Rumors and wherever else. They get a little petition going. And now it's curious to see, does Apple back down and say, hey, there's a bad press, and we got 35,000 signatures. It's a news story. My suggestion would be for Apple to do so, but it also could be problematic because then people might get real close to their logo, and we have to end up over here all over again. I'm not saying the pear is too close, for the record.
No. I mean,
what about when you see it in black, though? Scroll down just a touch. When you see it in black, how about that? Still no.
I don't see it. But
can we agree that it's a fruit, that they are both a fruit?
Even this, I mean, it does look like a fruit, but the way, like, it's hollow. And
right.
The line.
Let me ask you this. Does the leaf on the pear look like the cutout from the bite of the apple?
Oh, the bite?
Yeah.
I was thinking the leaf up here.
Okay. No. I was thinking it was more the shape of the bite. Either way, it's not the same thing. They're both fruits, and that's about that.
Yeah.